Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to upload PDF to Vistaprint, all right, especially here in the editor or Vistaprint Studio. All right, so first up, open up the project, and then you're gonna want to click on Images, okay? May seem odd, but under Images, the accepted formats included .pdf right here, okay? So basically click on Upload from Device or Upload from Phone via QR code. I'm just going to use Upload from Device right here. As you can see, I have a PDF file right here. I don't have a PDF reader, that's why it got this icon, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to right click on it and click on Properties. Here I have a PDF file type. Okay, now I'm going to click on it and make sure that it is highlighted and hit on Open and wait for the upload right here. Just make sure that your base color is lighter because, you know, the default text color in PDF is black. Or you could edit the PDF and turn the color to white or whatever light color you may use, all right? Or you can go ahead and click on the PDF itself right here. Click on it, make sure that it is highlighted and adjust right here, the brightness, like so. Make it bigger if you want to, all right? And that's about it. That's how easy it is to upload a PDF here in Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.